Hi, this is Rena from thecheesethief.com. Today crafting for consumercrafts.com, and we have a very fun craft today. We are making slime, rainbow colored slime that is so fun to play with, so stretchy and gooey, great for kids and sensory play. This looks like some blue galaxy slime that I made, and it is so fun to play with and easy to make. So let's get started on this tutorial. For this tutorial, you will need 2 bowls, school glue, soap coloring in red, blue, and yellow if you want to make rainbow slime, warm water, a spoon for mixing, rainbow glitter, and 1 teaspoon of borax. I'm going to take my first container and I'm going to pour in all of my 4 ounces of glue. Now after all the glue is poured in, I'm going to fill this container with some hot water or warm water that I have, and then pour the equal amount of water into. I filled this container, and you see it is very warm, and my camera is getting a little steamy here. I just put it in the microwave for around 30 seconds. It's hot, but it's not burning hot. And I'm pouring my water into the glue, like so. And I'm gonna get my spoon and mix the glue into the water until it's complete. Okay, so the mixture is pretty much incorporated. I'm just going to set this aside and start on my borax mixture. So for my borax mixture, I'm just going to take 1 teaspoon of borax that I already have measured out and put it in there. And I'm going to take a cup of hot water and mix it in. And you just want to make sure that your borax is nice and dissolved, like so. Now at this point, there's a couple of things you can do. You can add your coloring into this water and then mix it to make your colored slime. But since I want to make a whole rainbow assortment of slime, I'm going to make the slime and then mix the color in afterward. So now I'm going to take my glue mixture and I'm just going to slowly pour it in there, and you can see that it'll start getting gloopy and it's making slime. You can see how ooey and gooey it's going to get. It's going to get a lot thicker than this. And then so you're just going to keep stirring until all of the mixture seems incorporated. You're gonna have extra water, and don't worry about that. You're gonna end up dumping out that water. So I'm gonna take some of my slime now and show you how to color the slime after you make it. So I'm gonna put it back into this bowl right here, which is the original glue bowl. I'm gonna take my slime. And it does get less sticky the longer you wait. So this is just freshly made, so it's a little on the sticky side. So the easiest way to color the slime is to buy this soap coloring. I like the soap coloring because it does not stain like food coloring normally does, and so it doesn't stain my hands. And I've made slime with food coloring before, and my kids have dropped it on the carpet and it stained the carpet. So this one actually has not experienced any staining, which is kind of wonderful. So I'm using yellow, red, and blue, which are the primary colors. So with yellow, red, and blue, you can make purple, green, and orange. So I'm going to start off by making, let's make some red slime, and then we're just going to take some of the food coloring and drop it in. And I'll just do 3 drops for now, and it's just an approximation. You have to just mix it and see if the color, and you see my slime is actually starting to really set. So, and you're just gonna keep mixing it. And it just, at first it's gonna look like the color doesn't incorporate well, but if you keep mixing it, it'll incorporate. Slime looks a little on the pink side. I am going to add a few more drops. Let's do 4 more drops. And I'm also going to add some glitter because we're making glitter slime. So this is some Martha Stewart glitter that you can also find on consumercrafts.com. And you can be very liberal with the glitter. It's the more glitter, the prettier it is. Look at how pretty that looks already. And then we're gonna keep mixing it. So the slime is all incorporated, and then now you can make all the different colors of slime. You can either do this by making the red, the blue, and the yellow slime and then mixing the slime together, or you could just mix the food coloring or the soap coloring together and make the slime. So I've already gone ahead and made all the different color slime. You see I have all my different color slimes, and I keep them in Ziploc bags. But you can also keep them in a cool little jar like this. So you can put it in a mason jar if you made a big one. And all I did is I just put each color of the rainbow in there, and then as time goes on, it'll meld together to make this really cool rainbow colored slime. And see, I can open this up, and it's so fun to play with. Imagine giving these out as little party favors. It'll be so fun. Another thing you can do is fill Easter eggs with this. Before I show you the Easter eggs, I'm just going to show you a quick video of me filling in this jar with the slime. I'm just breaking off little pieces and then just putting it inside the jar. So now here's the jar, and now I'm going to show you my Easter eggs. So I have some Shopkins or some kids' toys, and you can just have some Easter eggs, and I already filled this one with slime. You see how there's slime in there, and I put a little more glitter on the top of it. But you can fill put your toy in there and then close it up with slime, and it'll be just a fun little treat for kids and the Easter egg parties. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please visit me at thecheesethief.com for more tutorials like this, and also be sure to check out consumercrafts.com for all the materials listed in this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye now.